Hey you guys, it's your girl back at you again with another video. Today we're going to be making our own bubble mailers. Yeah, there's a cushion in the inside of the mailer. Well, you're only going to need 4 items to achieve this bubble mailer. This here is a mailer envelope. I got it from Amazon from a company called Chic. I'm gonna leave that link in the description. You're gonna need scissors, some tape. I got this tape from Dollar Tree. A lot of my supplies are actually from Dollar Tree. And I got this cushion wrap also from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree so clutchy, I just don't know. So we're gonna grab our mailer envelope and we're gonna flip it inside out. And we're just gonna, smoothen it out, make sure that all the corners are pushed out, and just make sure that it's all smoothed out, nothing is bunched up in the inside of there. I'm trying to push that corner out here. And again, you want to make sure everything is smooth. That's what I'm doing here. Just make sure everything is smooth and straight and there's nothing bunched up in there. Because we need it to be straight for this to actually work. So, yeah. So now we're going to grab our cushion wrap and measure it against the mailer. Just come as close as you can. It doesn't have to be precise. Just wanted to protect your product that's in your mailer. Now we're going to cut where we measured. And you can just cut along that row there that's on the mailer. You know, the little bubbles, you cut along that row, you'll be fine. And now we're gonna go ahead and tape down that cushion. You want to make sure that all the corners and the edges are actually taped down, because we don't want it to come apart because we're gonna have to flip it back around once we're done taping it. So you want those edges and those corners, not just the corners or not just the edges. You want the edges and the corners to both be taped down securely. it back around. No, same thing. You're gonna make sure all the corners are pushed out and everything is smoothed. When you flip it back on the right side. Something that I did forget to mention, my envelopes are actually the 10 by 13, and that's because I don't want my product to be like smushed into those tiny bubble envelopes. But here you have your bubble mailer. It is ready to be filled with your product. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe.